Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video.
Today we'll be going to the Monterey Bay Aquarium. We're going to check out the sharks, the turtles, anything they got out there.
It's such a beautiful place.
Yeah,
Monterey
it's a very
in
nice
general.
day. It's a very nice day right now, so we're going to be walking around, showing you the scenery.
We already drove over here in Monterey. It's like a 5-minute walk to literally a couple blocks. So yeah, let's get started.
Alright guys, so we just walked to Cannery Row. The aquarium is actually on the street itself. We're about to be there in 2 seconds. We'll show you the entrance, all that. Alright guys, so here we are, Monterey Bay Aquarium. Super nice.
But what we could do is when we
It's the entrance, so we got to check in, all that.
It's really warm, which I highly appreciate.
Alright guys, so we're officially in.
Yeah, we just showed them our tickets, vaccine cards, all that good stuff. We came in and it's so nice in here.
Yeah, so we'll start showing you around. They give us a little map where we can figure out what to do first. It's super nice.
We have the sea otters right here. They're so cute. I love sea otters. That's why I always wanted to live in Monterey.
They're like the water dogs.
They're floating up here, living their best life. They're so cute. You can also see underneath their tiny little bodies.
All right, so that was our first exhibit. It was the sea otters. They all have names. Quick snack before we start our adventure. Ellie's about to be in her natural habitat, getting coffee. So we just came outside, check out the water and the weather. Super nice. The water's see-through.
Okay guys, so we came back inside. It actually started getting pretty hot outside. So we're gonna continue on with our tour. We're about to go into the first section called the Ocean's Edge. Yeah, we're about to go in and explore some more.
We came to visit the kelp forest. They have little sharks in here. This one wants to say hi to Ellie. Here's a shark. That's a stingray. I think that's a tuna. That one looks like Nemo.
We just came across the Bat Ray Touch Pool. This is what it looks
you
like.
can touch them if you can get them to come to. Those folks have a pretty good experience.
So we just entered a bird habitat or some sort of habitat. So this habitat like makes its own waves and it makes it feel like you're outside. So we just practically finished our first half of the tour. This is the bottom floor. So now we're about to head up to the second floor.
Okay guys, so we pretty much just finished the first floor, how he said. Overall, I feel like it's been such a nice experience. It's been so fun. So we just entered the little gift shop and I think it is so cute. Look at these. There's so many stuffed animals. I came in the store determined I want one of these puppies. Look at them. Even though my puppy's probably gonna end up taking it.
All right, here we are going to the second floor. Real quick and easy. So for starters, very amazing. Coming up to the second floor, very impressive. The lighting will get a little darker in here as well. So we'll stop filming for a second, but I'll get some good footage.
just left the open sea and it was such a nice experience. Now we're crossing over to the last section, I believe, of the aquarium. So far, so good. So this is where I was talking about that you can actually touch stuff up here, which is so exciting. We found penguins.
Ellie literally got so happy when she see the penguins. All the penguins remind me of the Penguin movie.
Just smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave. Kowalski, progress report.
We're only 500 feet from the main sewer line.
And the bad news?
We've broken our last shovel.
Hi. Hi, Mr. Penguin.
So it looks like all the penguins have names on them. One's name is Velma, we found out. We'll try to find some other names for you. There's Velma. This one name is Secos.
When I was younger, I came to the Monterey Bay Aquarium, no joke, like 6 times. I came every single year when I was in elementary school, and coming back now that I'm 20 years old is truly amazing. Honestly, you know, it's a whole different experience now that I'm way older, but it's still so fun and so beautiful and exactly how I remember it. Okay, so we just left the aquarium.
It was a 10 out of 10. Now we're gonna walk Cannery Row.
And he got me a little sea otter out of it.
Just stumbled upon this little gift shop here. All right, so we just stopped in Cannery Row at the small, yeah, it's a bunch of pop-up shop. It even has a little arcade. There's a candy shop, there's some art galleries, there's just a bunch of stores here.
So we just walked into this place called Pepper Palace. I guess it's like a hot sauce, salsa, seasoning, and rubs, barbecue sauce, wing sauce. And it's just a whole bunch of salsas. Oh, look at that. Sauces everywhere, seasonings. And I think they do samples here for these salsas, which is pretty cool. I've never heard of anything like this.
Yeah, so let's try this one.
Try a salsa.
Oh, this one's sweet.
What's the spice level to that one?
It's a medium, like it says. Yeah, this one's medium.
Was it good?
Yeah, it's really good. It tastes like a... Oh, it's a sweet flavor. So we stumbled upon an aqua massage place. Pretty cool. So we made it to the beach. Water's amazing, weather's amazing. Found Alvin. Alvin! So we're here at Lover's Point. It's like a hideout for all these squirrels.
There's so many.
They're all over the place. There's hundreds of them. You good, Ellie?